Hi, audiophile! If your Sennheiser HD600 or HD650 headphones also have an old, damaged headband cushion that's no longer comfortable, today I'll show you how to easily and cheaply restore your awesome headphones at home. You can find a new replacement headband cushion on various shopping platforms. The link is in the video description. To replace the headband cushion, you'll need a sharp tool to pry out the start of the old cushion, and then you can pull out the rest. As I later found out, it's even easier if you first remove the blocking plastic and then simply slide out the old cushion. Next, pull out the headphone slider. Then simply slide the new cushion into place. Just be careful. The headband has 2 groove levels. You need to use the one that's closer to your head. Otherwise, the cushion will hit the slider and won't fit properly. Push the new headband cushion all the way in and reinsert the blocking plastic. And here's the result. Now the headphones feel like new and will last for years. Don't forget to hit that like button, and good luck!